The 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.